guys, and welcome back to another IGTV. I hope all of you are doing fine. I'm so happy and grateful that you guys seem to love the top 5 series of my IGTV. So guys, welcome back. So this top 5 series is all about the red lipsticks. I know you guys love red lipsticks, and so here I am today with my top 5 preferences. So if you want to know what 5 red lipsticks I like, then please continue watching. So guys, the first lipstick which you see me wearing on my lips right now is by Miss Claire. It's very affordable and it is in the shade 26. So as all of you might know by now that Miss Claire is like one of my most favorite lipstick brand to use, because first of all it's really affordable, it's really easily accessible, it's available in the stores as well as in the online outlets. Everything you can purchase them from no matter where you are living. It's really accessible, it's really affordable, plus the formulation is so comfortable to use that I cannot even begin to tell you. This is very beautiful. This particular shade number 26 has this really nice blue undertone. So anything which has this cool tone kind of a color which has a blue or a purple undertone, that color seems to make your teeth look all the more whiter, and it looks really nice because this particular shade is going to suit this particular shade is going to suit all the skin tones whatsoever, be it fair, be it dark, be it medium. It is beautiful, it's affordable, and it is going to look so great during night times, and all the skin shades can literally rock the carpet. So guys, this is the second shade which you see me wearing right now on my lips. So this shade is by Huda Beauty and it is in the shade Cheerleader. You guys loved this particular lipstick, because I was wearing this in my previous IGTV which was about the earrings, and I got so many questions regarding it. So this is the shade. I know these shades can look really identical to each other, but trust me, the shades are like extremely different from each other. If you guys know about lipsticks and their undertones, you will understand the difference and what kind of color will suit what skin tone. So this lipstick has a warm sort of an undertone. It has this orangey undertone. The previous one was a bit on the cooler side, this one is on the warmer side, and again Huda Beauty is beautiful. This shade is going to look really good on a fair tone and medium tone people. Darker skin tones, I would recommend that when you purchase a red lipstick, it should have it is advisable to have a lipstick that has a blue or a purple undertone. So Huda Beauty is like one of the most comfortable sort of a lipstick. It's in the liquid format, but it's very matte, it's very comfortable. This is one of my personal favorite red colors, because whenever I wear this I get compliments that it suits my skin tone and everything. It is beautiful. I know it is expensive, but a good investment makes this particular shade really handy. It's beautiful. Huda Beauty makes the most comfortable liquid lipsticks, and if you can buy this, trust me, you will not regret it. Yes, you people, this is the third shade which you see me wearing right now on my lips. This one is by Nykaa. It is their liquid lipstick and it is in the shade 10 Mishti. So this lipstick is again in a liquid format, but the formulation is very nice. This lipstick is extremely long lasting. Even if when you're out and you're eating and drinking, this lipstick may fade away, but it leaves such a beautiful stain on your lips that your lips will continue to have that pinkish reddish sort of a stain, and it's going to last throughout the day. I really love the applicator of this lipstick. This is how the applicator looks. It is so beautiful for your lips. Your lipstick glides super easily. It's a very comfortable formulation, and this lipstick has more of a pinkier or a cherry sort of an undertone, like more of the pinkish side. The first lipstick was more on the bluish side, the second was on the orangish side, and this lipstick is in, falls in the category of a pinkier red lipstick, if you know what I mean. And this lipstick is going to suit all skin tones, and especially for the deeper skin tones, this is going to look really, really, really pretty. Trust me, this is a very beautiful lipstick. It's only for rupees 500 or 550 rupees. It's available on Nykaa. It's beautiful. Trust me, once you buy this, you will not regret this. So yeah, this is the fourth shade right now on my lips. It is by the brand called Seduction Las Vegas. I got this lipstick in one of my fab bags and it is beautiful. These lipsticks are extremely comfortable. This lipstick, it falls in the category of a much darker maroonish plummy sort of colors, because the earlier three which I showed were like the lighter red colors, and these fall in the category of a deeper maroonish burgundy sort of red colors. And I think this particular lipstick is going to suit all the skin tones. It's extremely comfortable. These are very, very inexpensive. I think they are available on Amazon, or you can ask them in the market or the stores as well. These are really handy. These come in this small cute sizes, and the shade is extremely nice. It is not completely matte, it is not completely glossy. It falls in between, like it's a satinish feeling on your lips, as well as it's very comfortable. So yeah, if you want to buy something on the very, very cheaper side, yet on the darker side, that may suit all skin tones, you can definitely check this out. Finally, we have the last lipstick on my lips right now. I know a lot of people will say that this is not a red lipstick. Of course, it's not a red lipstick, but if you want to include one vampy or the darkest sort of shade in the red category, I think only the darkest of the darkest plum or a maroon lipstick, which is indirectly in the category of a red lipstick, only these sort of colors will appear. And this one is by Sugar. Again, a very good gift in the fab bag that I got. This is by Sugar and it is in the shade, it's a Smudge Me Not Liquid Lipstick Mini. So the shade name is not mentioned in the lipstick in the packaging, but I will let you know the shade in the description in the comment section below. And this is the shade. So this lipstick is again in the liquid formulation. It is a bit drying. I will not deny the fact that Sugar lipsticks, the liquid lipsticks, are a tad bit drying, but oh my god, the color, it encapsulates all the negative feelings out of my heart. So this is one of those lipsticks which makes the perfect night time hot look, chick look, or that sexy looking lipstick. If you're wearing white, oh my god, this is going to look so stunning. Vampy shades are getting a lot of popularity these days, because also I myself love vampy shades, and this is so good. These sort of shades are suitable for all skin tones. Any skin tone can rock the carpet with this. I particularly love this. These lipsticks are again very, very, not very affordable, but yeah, they are less than 1000 rupees, I guess in between 600 to 700 maximum. You can buy this from Nykaa. I think Sugar always has some sort of an offer going on Nykaa, so do check them out. If you like vampy shades, this is one of the best shades to go for. So yeah guys, with that we are done with another IGTV, another top 5 series video. I hope I helped you guys in somewhere in choosing the best shade for your skin tone, or letting you know what type of shades are available in the market out there. So yeah, till my next IGTV, stay tuned, stay positive, take care, bye bye.